Let us enjoy, celebrating and refreshing a time-honored friends. In a world spinning fast, we've had different struggles. We're together in breaking down the walls. Not all are well off, not all were successful, yet the power of togetherness, God's guiding us with grace. By the pandemic storm, we've stood side by side, bonds are broken through the darkest times. Long decades of journey we've learned to embrace, and the power of our oneness, the torch of our life's race. Oh, the strength we find in unity, hearts beating one in perfect symphony, friendship in our laughter and tears. In every joy, in every triumph, the bonds we share, a thread that never breaks, side by side, through thick and thin. The power of togetherness we bring. There's no mountain too high, no valley too low. God's love us, our strength so divine. The seeds that we sow, a joyful heart we grow, as the power of togetherness transcends space and time. Oh, the strength we find in unity, hearts beating one in perfect symphony, friendship in our laughter and tears. In every joy, in every triumph, the bonds we share, a thread that never breaks, side by side, through thick and